What's up, my royal flush? It is I, Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I have good audio again. In today's video, y'all, I'm going to just give y'all some random facts about me while I put on this mask. It's a Freeman clay mask that's teal blue, and it like matches my shirt, so that's why I was like, let me put this mask on. But I got this mask from WT Alfred on YouTube and on all social medias, and I was like, I thought I seen that at my job, and I work at Walmart, so I'm like, let me see if I find it, and I found it, y'all. So it's really cute. Look at that. It really does match my shirt. Like, it really does. I don't even know why I started putting this on, like, while I'm filming my intro. So yeah, you guys, if you guys want to know 10 facts, or like not even 10, but some facts about me, then keep on watching this video. But before we get into this video, guys, please hit that subscribe button. You do not want to be a part of the 80% of people that are watching my channel and y'all not subscribed. And also hit that bell notification button right next to it, because a lot of people are subscribed but they aren't hitting the bell and they aren't getting the notifications to watch my videos. And if this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Heart. Welcome to my channel. Here we are, the royal flush, the royal family here. And yeah, at any point in this video, if you guys are enjoying yourself and you guys are enjoying me, then give this video a big thumbs up. And you know, thumbs up really do help. They help us so much, y'all. Y'all just do not know they help us so much, like, for real. And with that being said, you guys, let's just get into this video.
That's the reason we do this. Baby, you better use it. Use your imagination. Let your mind run free.
So before I even start with any facts about me, I want to say a huge thank you to Thomas Halbert. He really helped me out a lot, and like a lot of you guys as well are from Thomas, when he was like retweeting me and, you know, basically helping me out a lot. He helped me get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm one step closer to my well, like, actually I feel like that was my goal right there, 1,000. My video, like when I first started, like this year, my first video this year, I did say 10,000, but I meant 1,000. I don't know why I said 10,000, but yeah, so like my goal is completed before we even got through this year, y'all, and I am so excited about that. My next goal soon to reach is 5,000, you know, and 1,000 literally was a milestone. Also, I want to say a huge thank you to Dustin Daly. I have been watching his channel. I have been a supporter of him for like over a year now, and he just shouted me out on his recent video. And I just want to say thank you so much. He really helped me out a lot with something that I was going through, like last year with the other social media influencer. I basically told him my story and what happened. Yeah, so, but he listened, he replied to me, and I'm so grateful to him about that. I'll put this on your neck too, y'all, and I'm not doing all that shit. They got me fucked up. I look like a fucking Smurf. I look like a Smurf, like WTF, like what the fuck. I look like a fucking Smurf. I don't know. So I guess I'm supposed to leave this on for like 10 minutes. That's what it said. So in this 10 minutes, I'm going to actually let me have Siri set a timer for 10. Come on, bitch. Set a timer for 10 minutes.
Your timer is set for 10 minutes.
Okay, so in this 10 minutes, I'm going to give y'all some facts, random facts about me. The first thing that you guys, I don't know if you guys know this. Oh, hold on, let me see if I'm in focus. Okay, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I'm a huge anime fan. I'm a huge anime cartoon fan. Whatever y'all want to categorize that in, I am a huge fan of it. It depends on how good it is. I love a good story. I love a good story plot. I have so many animes that I watch currently. So many to fucking name, y'all. Like, too many. I would literally like just watch as much animes as I want. like on my days off, which is today. Today is one of my days off, but I'm recording, so I can't watch anything. Anime is literally like my favorite thing in the world. I will continue to watch anime. I don't care if I'm a grown-ass man and I will watch it. I don't care. The next thing I want, like the anime cartoon category, I love this show, Steven Universe. If y'all do not know what that show is, y'all are definitely missing out. Steven Universe is a very good show. It breaks boundaries in the LGBT community and different stuff like that. Like, the show is just really good, really good in general. So if y'all like do not know what it is, y'all should definitely catch up and watch it. So another fact about me is that I used to love drawing, like art, and that's like kind of what incorporated me into getting into makeup. I used to do digital art. I used to draw a lot back in high school. If I could find any pictures, I will put them up on the screen. Yeah, and I love art so much. Like, that's why I feel like makeup is just an art, and it's just like another way like for me to express myself through my art, like just makeup. So, and also I've been doing makeup for almost like 2 years, y'all. Like, y'all believe that? Another fact about me, I graduated high school in 2014. Yes, 4 years ago. I graduated 4 years ago. I'm old as fuck. I'm 22. I'm 22 years old. I'm just old as fuck. I was born in Detroit, Michigan. I was born in 1996. Y'all, like, I just feel like I'm just so old, like, which is crazy. I am one of the few, I think, like, some people might, look at my hands. Some people might take offense to this, but like, I feel like 90s babies, y'all, like, they cut off after 96. Like, after 96, y'all not considered just a 90 baby anymore. I'm sorry, y'all might feel some type of way, but that's how I feel. I'm just joking, y'all. I'm really just playing. But I was born on February 23rd. I am a Pisces. Yes, Pisces gang over here. Like, Pisces gang. I am a true Pisces. Some people say I'm a true Pisces. Hold on, let me drink. I have 7 other siblings, actually 9 other siblings if you count my dad's side. Okay, but on my mom's side there is 8 of us. I have 3 sisters and 4 older brothers. On my dad's side, I have a brother and 2 sisters. So another thing is I just hate liars. I really do just hate liars. Liars are literally like, I have no point in lying. I don't know, I just hate liars because I'm a very truthful person. Like, if you just come to me and you can talk to me about anything. Like, I just hate liars. I hate people that lie, and if I found out you're lying, like, I just won't talk to you anymore. Like, if the truth like comes out, if you admit that you probably lied to me, and you're my friend, I probably won't talk to y'all for like 2 weeks. Another thing is, like, this is like one of the reasons why I pretty much stay off Facebook, is that I hate seeing fights. Like, I hate seeing fights. I will fight somebody though. I will fight somebody, but I hate seeing fights because, like, on Facebook, if somebody's getting jumped or beat or stumped on or something, I hate that so much. It literally gets on my nerves and gets under my skin so much, y'all. I just really hate it, and like, I just feel like it's just like terrible. And that brings me into my next fact. I hate animal abuse. Y'all ever seen those commercials like back in the day? I don't even know if they still come on TV because I don't watch TV like that. I usually just watch, if I do want to watch a TV show, I just watch it on my computer. That's what I really pretty much do. I don't actually I don't have a TV in my room. I just have my monitor that I watch like shows on, basically, like Netflix, stuff like that. Because I just feel like no need. Like, my monitor is as big as a TV. I don't need a TV in my room. So, like, those old TV shows, like, I mean, those old commercials where it was like showing animal abuse and showing like the animals like looking sad and stuff. I hate, like, I used to bawl my eyes out when at my grandma's house when she used to be alive. I used to bawl my eyes out. Yeah. Oh shit, the timer's off. Okay, but I'm about to continue just a little bit more so I can finish. I used to bawl my eyes out every time I used to see the, like, oh my god, y'all, like, it used to have me so like sad seeing those animals like that. It was just the worst. It's literally the worst, y'all. I hate that. Like, it just makes me so mad, like, to know that people are actually doing that to animals, like, just period. And yeah, so I hate animal abuse. I really do. So you guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you guys enjoyed yourself, give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. Also, if you are subscribed, don't forget to hit that bell notification button before you go to be notified for my future uploads. I'm going to try to film a video post a video 3 days out of the week. Don't quote me though. Two at the most. Don't quote me, but I'm pushing to 3. I'm pushing to 3. Don't quote me though. 2 at the most. Okay, y'all? All right, y'all. And with that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video.